Let's give a warm round of applause, warm welcome for George.
Hello, can you hear me? Yeah. Hello, everyone. Today I'm going to talk regarding how we are using AI agents to simplify DeFi operations for non-tech guys and actually make it accessible for everyone. My name is George, and I've been a senior software engineer at MetaMask and MetaMask Institutional. I've built quite a lot of stuff for them, like CeFi integration, internal payment systems, MetaMask Institutional distributed backend system, as well as the Bitcoin mining monitoring support, and many more. Besides of that, I've been working for the Genesis mining back in the days. So I've been in Web3 space since 2016, and last year, I dedicated myself to AI agents. So this is quite a good combination, especially if you find a gap between how people are actually willing to use DeFi, but still, like we can see the numbers that less than 27% of the total Web3 users who are using the on-chain wallets are using the DeFi. So why this number is so low? The main thing is that DeFi is very specific. You need to have the financial knowledge as well as the technical knowledge to be able to comfortably use DeFi, do like various operations like generating yield, doing the staking, swapping, etc. And we have the terminology that people are afraid to use, like, for example, MEV, slippage, impermanent loss, etc. And people are pretty scared to make any mistakes on DeFi because once you make it, you can't revert it. Once you make the wrong transaction, that's it. So beside of that, we have like tons of scams. And I guess like last 2 years, the scams were like terrible for the Web3 space. And because of that, it's not that popular. But yeah, we are trying to fix it. Yeah, we were thinking about like how we can onboard non-tech people into DeFi, and AI agents were like super hot topic, and we thought, why not to talk to your wallet, and they can like it can actually do stuff for you. For example, like swap token A to token B, find the best possible yield generation opportunity for a specific token, or yeah, just check this project out and tell me like how risky it is to make an investment here. So we are right now focusing on the XRPL ecosystem, but we are planning to go beyond it to EVM and many different chains. Why we decided to go with XRPL is it's less technical. We know that XRPL users are even less technical than the EVM users. They are just holding their XRP, and we want to open them like various possibilities. They can use their XRP through the yielding, swapping, and stuff like that. So how we are doing that? First of all, we started with a system prompt. That is, we iterated quite a lot on that. That was, I guess, probably the hardest part to figure out like what AI agent should do and what shouldn't do. And the main, like from my past experience, I can say that the proper guardrails are the key to build a really good AI system. We are translating user intents to actual actions, and we are using like tons of different tools to figure out like what user wants to do. For example, if the user wants to swap token A to token B, we basically need to call the specific tool that generate a payload for that specific operation, and the user can actually sign that transaction. Yeah, our agent is like always aware like what user is like talking to them, and we're sending the user address with every request they are making to our agent. So yeah, user don't need to tell agent that, hey, this is my address and check my portfolio, or check the risky tokens that I hold, or what do you think about my portfolio, etc. We have, yeah, this is the simplest architecture we have. This is our AI interface, assistant interface that basically sends the request to the system prompt. The system prompt processes the user request. As I told you, we have like a tons of guardrails there. So if the request is inappropriate, for example, what's the 2 + 2, it won't respond to you because it's, yeah, we don't care about that. We are providing the product, and you should be able to use this agent to do the DeFi operation or just like our on-chain operations. we have like a multiple tools like the portfolio tool, token information, swap tool, AMM tool, etc. that basically system prompt figures out what kind of stuff it should do. And for example, if you ask like, what do you think about my portfolio? It's gonna go to the portfolio tool. It's gonna go to web, use like various APIs to fetch the token information, assess the risk based on our system prompt, and gonna generate the result. We are constantly monitoring each request to make it better and better because, yeah, no system prompt is perfect. We need to make sure that we improve what we have defined in our system prompt, as well as improve the evals that we are using for the system prompt. The tech that we are using is the Mastra AI. It's an open source agentic framework. It's 100% built with the TypeScript. It's pretty cool if you want to build an agent or AI workflow. It allows you to spin up like a simple agent in minutes. It allows you to define the custom tool. The custom tool looks like just a normal JavaScript functions. I'm just a really tech guy. I'm going to go deep into the tech stuff. And beside of that, what we're doing is like leveraging like multiple APIs for the various data like market insights, token information, supply, past transactions, etc. We are using the RPC calls to make the on-chain calls, and what I figured out actually not a while ago is like unified code base is pretty amazing in our case because we have the centralized business logic for the interface where you can basically swap one token to another with a just simple traditional swap interface, or you can use the same code, like agent actually going to use the same code into the transaction. So once we update our business logic in one place, our agent is also updated and using the latest features. I already talked about the Mastra AI. It's pretty cool. It has the built-in eval system. It has the multiple LM support. It's extensible. It has internal playground, so you don't need to build the interface before you actually, when you create a project, you start typing your system prompt, plugging a couple of different tools, and it has built-in playground where you can actually start testing it. You don't need to write any line of front-end code. It has the built-in database systems as well as the observability. So yeah, we are pretty happy to use it. Yeah, I've got 3 books from the CEO of the Mastra, and I've got like 8 left. So if you are a tech guy and interested in building AI agents, feel free to tell me, and I'm going to give you one for free. Yeah, that's basically what we want. We want to actually improve the UX layer of the DeFi and allow non-tech savvy people to use the DeFi. That's it. Thanks.